Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with a close look at the nuphy Kick75, a sleek, wireless, low-profile mechanical keyboard designed to elevate your typing and gaming experience. Whether you're a productivity enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who just appreciates a well-crafted keyboard, the Kick75 promises to deliver style, functionality, and customization in one package. Let's start with what makes the Kick75 stand out. This 75% layout keyboard packs 80 keys into a compact frame, saving desk space without sacrificing functionality. It features hot-swappable switches, meaning you can easily customize your typing feel by swapping out the included Silver Nano switches for others. No soldering required. The PBT keycaps are durable and resist shine over time, while the RGB backlighting adds a vibrant touch for those who love a bit of flair. One of the standout features is the volume knob, a rare and welcome addition that makes adjusting audio a breeze. With multiple connectivity options, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C, the Kick75 offers versatility for any setup. In real-life use, the Kick75 shines. The low-profile design makes it comfortable for long typing sessions, and the tactile yet quiet Silver Nano switches strike a great balance between responsiveness and noise control. The wireless performance is reliable, with minimal lag, whether you're gaming or working. The RGB lighting is bright and customizable, though some might find the software a bit basic compared to competitors. The volume knob is a game changer, providing quick access to audio controls without reaching for your mouse or screen. Of course, no product is perfect. While the Kick75 excels in many areas, its low-profile design might not appeal to those who prefer taller, more traditional mechanical keyboards. The lack of dedicated macro keys could be a downside for gamers who rely on them. Additionally, the price point is slightly higher than some competing models, though the build quality and features justify the cost for many. Speaking of competitors, the Kick75 holds its own against keyboards like the Keychron K3 or the Logitech MX Mechanical. It offers better customization than the Logitech, thanks to its hot-swappable switches, and its wireless performance is more reliable than some Keychron models. The volume knob is a unique touch that sets it apart from both. To get the most out of the Kick75, take advantage of its hot-swappable feature. Experiment with different switches to find your perfect fit. Use the 2.4 GHz dongle for gaming to minimize latency, and explore the RGB customization to match your setup. Keep it clean by occasionally removing keycaps for dusting, and update the firmware for the latest features. Overall, the nuphy Kick75 is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a premium, customizable, and versatile mechanical keyboard. It's ideal for typists, gamers, and remote workers who value both form and function. While it may not be for everyone, its strengths far outweigh its minor drawbacks. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this review helps you decide if the Kick75 is the right keyboard for you. Happy typing, and see you next time.